The membership feature within the builder runs in conjunction with users and roles. Once you have created roles and you have users, when they have logged in, you can assign certain blocks to only appear or not appear for them. This is done on a block-by-block basis. Let's go to this block, and then all the way to the left, we have the option to make it a membership block. Once I've done that, I have the option to select which roles can access this block. I'll click on select, and by default, you have not logged or logged in. You can choose your subscriber or pro user and or. These two will then be the only ones to view this block and no one else. Naturally, they will have to sign in before they can view it. This is great if you have certain paywalls or certain other benefits for people who sign up, collecting leads and then in return giving them access to certain resources on your website.